Hello everyone, my name is Joseph. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be doing a demo on how to use the sequence function, the SCQ function, in different ways to create different type of sequences. So what do I mean by different type of sequences? Well, typically in R and many different coding languages, the two main sequences are one that ascends and the other is one that descends. And so how do you create both using different ways? Well, here it is. Let's create a variable named sequence1 and assign it using the sequence function. The sequence function will have three main keywords using it as its arguments. The first one would be from, and then equal sign, the first value. And the second keyword is to, equal sign, let's assign it to 5. And then the third keyword would be by, equal sign, let's assign it something like zero point 0.5. And let's see what happens after running it. So you can see in the console window, the first value in the sequence was actually 0, which was also the value that was equal to from, and the last value is 5, which is a value equal to 2. And so what this means is 0 would be the first value in the sequence that you want, and 2 is the last value that you want in the sequence. And zero point 0.5 by indicates how much to increment by. So zero point 0.5, a positive value, increases zero point 0.5. You could see it goes from 0, 0.5, 1, and so on. And so what would be another, or not another way, but what would be a way to make this into a descending sequence, the same exact values, but descending? Well, here are two different ways. Let's the new variable sequence 2 and sequence. You can actually do rev, which is a function that prints things backwardsly. And so you could actually do sequence again, from equals 0 to equal 5. By zero point 0.5. And so this would pretty much just print what we had in sequence 1 in the backwards direction. Let me see if I got, oh, equal sign. So you could see that's what it does, opposite direction. And also you could do sequence and then from. So yeah, once again, it prints from 5 to 0 instead of 0 to 5, so it is in the descending order. And once again, decrements by zero point 0.5. And also, you could just do sequence if you don't want to use a rev function, 5 to 0. It has to make logically, so it starts from 5 and ends at 0. And then it has to decrement, so it's going to be a negative value of zero point 0.5. And so this should actually accomplish the same thing. Actually, let me just run this too. And so you can see it does that too. Starts from 5, ends at 0, decrements by zero point 0.5. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you.